Hi, my name is Tommy, and like you, I also am tired of hearing about the same products over and over again. So I took it upon myself to find the craziest, most amazing products you might ever see. Welcome to my channel. Let's begin. Here's Tommy. Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Today, I'm gonna give you a little tip and trick. Every single day I receive lots and lots of packages. Daily, weekly, monthly. There's always that hint of a problem that what do you do once you open the package? You have your address on the package. You don't want anyone to get that or use it against you. What can you do about it? Fairly easy. What I do with my packages, as you can see, I already erased my address. Easy. Something everybody should have in their homes. Alcohol. Just pour alcohol on top of it. Let it work its magic. And it simply dissolves all the address. As you can see, when it's heat treated paper, it just erases everything up. So no one can get your address or your information. The more you know. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you haven't yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And also hit the notification bell to get notified of my next video. Thanks for watching. Take care.